Find a comfortable position, perhaps on your back, your side. Doesn't matter. Don't be afraid to squirm or twitch or scratch an itch. No one is judging you. Not anymore. The day is done. You did all you could. You did your best. We know. We are your otherworld, love. We watch over you, always. Now it's time for sleep to restore you, to reset your baseline goodness and breezy temperament. Sometimes the body gets wrapped up in its own sense of self-importance, its own ego, your ego, which is neither bad nor good. It just is. But it can cause you to feel stressed, anxious, on edge. And sleep? Well, sleep prefers a more feathery emotional bed. Sleep prefers lightness. For sleep is kind. It is forgiving. The embrace of sleep transforms the worst of your days, the most dramatic of your trials, into nothingness, into mist. Sleep transports you to a land where we are there waiting to greet your truest self with an ocean of love. So let's get you there, expeditiously. Begin by taking one deep breath in through your nose and out your mouth. You can do this 1 or 2 more times if you like. Now, locate any tension you feel in your jaw, just in front of and below your earlobes. Imagine a kind of heat or warmth dissolving this tightness. Feel your jaw loosen and relax. Move forward to your cheeks, below your eyes. The same dissolving heat relaxes these muscles. It's okay to twitch a bit. And as the twitch subsides, in those few seconds afterwards, you find the muscles are looser than they were just before. Your eyes are next. Blink while keeping them closed. Feel the tension leave all the tiny muscles that work to give you such brilliant sight all day long. It's a strange thing to think about relaxing your eyeballs. We know. And it's okay to move your eyes and eyebrows around a bit until you feel this area release its tension, until you feel a warmth around them. Your forehead, where you carry so much of your concern. Raise your eyebrows, then let them fall. Notice the tightness release, as if wiped away by a soft, warm washcloth. The entire mask of your face, from jaw to lips to cheeks to eyes to forehead, is completely relaxed and tension-free. you can feel a faint smile at the corner of your lips, in your relaxed cheeks, around your eyes. It is now we remind you of the truth. There is light around you. There is always light. It is misty and warm and penetrates every cell of your body at all times, forever. This light is a portal, for you are soon to be in union again with the essence of your real self. See this light, blue or pink or golden, whatever color feels most right to you in this moment. See the glow of this light as it shimmers brightest around your face. You can see it, can't you? The mask of light, how it hovers and comforts. You can change its color if you like, its shape, the substance of it. It responds to your whim. Expand the light now, if you will, to envelop your entire head. The top of your head, your temples, the back of your head. Notice how as its pillowiness reaches these areas, there is instant relief, immediate relaxation. You didn't even know you carried tension in the back of your head or on top. No matter, it's gone. Now, see this warm light expand even further down your body, your neck, the tops of your shoulders, your upper arms, your chest. Each new place in the landscape of your beautiful human form, as it is touched by the light, relaxes, breathes, releases whatever weight it may be holding on to. The light is pure love, after all, welcoming you to sleep, to the land of dreams, to the place where you can play and be free and remember your purpose, so you can begin again fresh with the new day tomorrow brings. Your upper back, your lower back, your forearms, your hands and fingers. The crystal cocoon grows around you and through you at its own pace, at your pace, for you and the light are one. Pain, stress, fear, worry, these cannot live in its presence. The comfort is quick and warm and impregnable. Your lower torso, your hips and pelvis, your backside and thighs. The light swirls over and through all, right and left, front and back, relaxing and releasing as it goes. Your knees, your shins and calves, your ankles, your feet and toes. Safe now. You are safe. Safe from the drama of this earth life. Safe from your worries and fears. Safe from all judgments. You've done everything exactly as you were supposed to, and all life asks of you now is to sleep. This life now requires only your rest. The cocoon about you is complete, and from head to toe, relaxation pulses through you. The light and you are one. You pulse, you hum together. Rest well, dear one. Tomorrow is far away, and we wait for you with joy in the dreams to come.